Okay, so we're back here with another project for you today. As you see, we're back on the Cadillac Escalade 2006, and right now we're replacing the headlight. So not the whole assembly, but one of the headlights actually went out, and we are attempting to remove the cover here. When you open your hood, you're gonna pop out your connectors. Plugs. I'm going to remove this piece and come back and show you what's next. Okay, so in order to remove your lights, the grill has to be removed. So on here, we have a bolt sitting right in the center here. And what we're using, if you can see there, it's a 10 millimeter socket. So we're gonna use that 10 millimeter socket, remove that bolt. Got your tabs here, you wanna release. Got one on each side. You want to take your time and make sure you. Put your tabs on bottom. Slots. Put your slots where the grill went in. To be ready to reinstall. Okay, so for these headlights here, you have these here tabs on each side. So you got that there. And there's a second. Let's see, where's that at? I can pull that one out. And there's another one back right here. Okay. And it's a little tight in there, so you may have to use a second and get your fingers in to wiggle it, but after you get that out, then assembly releases just like that. So if you want to change your whole headlight assembly right now, you could take the time and you could disconnect all your connectors and actually put your new headlight assembly in. If it's OE standard, then it should be easy to replace and slide right in. But if you just want to replace your bulb, there we go. And this is, okay, I think it's over here. So if you see, they come with these covers here that keep moisture out. That's your rubber covers. And there's a bulb in here, so it has some spring locking type mechanism. Holds it in place. Pull that out. So this bulb here actually is okay. The problem with it is it's kind of going in and out. So with this one, we're just gonna pull it out and add some, check the connector and then add some grease to that to make sure we don't get any kind of moisture or corrosion inside. So we'll be back here in a second. You guys see that thing? So this is brand new. We just put this in just a few days ago. So it's been in and out a little, so just gonna check it out. Use the opportunity to show you guys how you could do it yourself. Like we say, around here, we're all about doing it and saving you a couple bucks. So tap that like button, subscribe, and we'll be back here in a minute. All right, so see here, we have our bulb grease. So I'm gonna put some bulb grease down inside of our connector. And this stuff here, it won't interfere with your connection. It actually just gives you some protection So just gonna put a little glob here and plug in. Make sure we don't get any moisture in there. So when you put it in, you just kind of have to angle your wire a little bit. It's a tight fit. Your bulb is kind of long, so it barely goes, clears the hole, but it does fit. Goes in just fine. And then once you get this installed, then you're just gonna just go in reverse of the same way that we took it apart. Leave in the comments if you think that that my helper is doing a pretty good job out here. The silent partner. Got great hands, huh? Okay, so you see you guys when we reattach everything. Alright guys, you see that? So you want it to snap in on both sides just like that to make sure it's secure. And make sure that you get your shield back on for moisture. And then you're just gonna realign everything. Got your pins that you pull back in to secure things in place. And this repair can save you at least $100 just on the installation from a shop. A lot of time, if you go to your local parts store, these bulbs run $100 a piece. So you're talking about a $200 repair just by changing your own headlight. Maybe times 2. Keep that in mind. Hit that like button if you learned something today. Hit that like button. Set the grill back in place. Tabs back locked in on both sides. And we need to replace our bolt here in the center. Our 10mm ratchet. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Don't over tighten it.
Don't over tighten. And you gotta remember you're dealing with plastic parts here, so if you over tighten, you can put pressure and stress there. And actually this isn't, maybe, yeah. You can put pressure and stress there and crack that. A lot of reasons, so yeah. Just wanna get it snug. Hey, can you, let's see, we wanna get our shield put back on. Other way around. Just line your hose up and push your tabs back down there. Hit that like button if this is useful for you. Hit that like button if you think that our helper is doing a great job with this today. Hit that subscribe button if you feel like this is gonna save you a couple bucks doing it yourself. If we can do it, you can do it. You want to turn that key forward. Don't turn the ignition on, but just twist it forward. Nope, one more. There you go. You can turn it back now.
Okay.
All right. So as you guys can see, we got full headlight power. Lights are on, nice and bright. And these are actually the low beams. So these are some really nice bulbs. Got a nice blue hue to them. They light up the road really well. So yeah, you can get it on Amazon. You can find yourself some bulbs for a lot less than your local parts store if you got a little bit of time to wait. And you guys see how to do it. So there you have it. There you have it. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, you can see the results of the headlight and the fog light installation right there.